What's up, YouTube? Unfortunately, the footage I took of fixing my rear end for the part 2 of the video didn't come out. For some reason, my camera lost it. I don't know what the hell happened, but so the second part of my rear end fix video isn't coming. What I'll do to remedy that is I plan to link to another video that is a Ford 8.8 rebuild. 8.8s are standard. They're all the same. I just wanted to make a video specifically for the SN95 because there aren't any on YouTube that I've found. A lot of them take the rear end out and all that stuff, and what I like to do is try and show you what you can do in your driveway with just basic hand tools. Unfortunately, rear end's not something you can actually do with basic hand tools. You do need some specialty tools. You need a bearing and a race set. You gotta redo your rear end, you need to set the backlash, and they'll show you this in the video, but I picked this one up on Amazon for like 30 bucks. I'll actually put the parts and stuff in the description of the video, but you need a dial indicator stand and set. Here's the actual dial indicator. You need this. See how it turns when you press on that? It's real sensitive. This sets things in thousandths of an inch, or millimeters, whatever you want to do it. And this is the magnetic stand. You can turn the magnet on and off. It's just a cheapo set I found on there. The dial indicator is actually not. It's made like out of, feels like plastic. Plastic case. Really good ones will be a couple $100. But this one did just fine. So you need this. I'll put the link to it in the description of this video. The other tool you need is this torque wrench. You need a torque wrench to torque down your ring, and to torque down your bearing caps, and to torque down your cover for your differential. Again, this is just a cheapo. The old Harbor Freight Special, Pittsburgh. I picked this one up for, I think, $30. So yeah, guys, I apologize that the video didn't work out. It's hot out here. I apologize that the video didn't really work out for the second part, but I'm going to make another video today. My top is ragged as fuck, and I just spent about $400 with parts and everything on my Cobra to fix the rear end, to fix the differential in it. I basically rebuilt the rear end except for axle bearings. This car has only got 80,000 miles on it now. I've put about 30 on it. But I'm going to make a video here explaining the stuff that you're going to need to temporarily fix your ragged top if you got holes in it or breaks or stuff. Because I plan to buy one of the cheapo tops off of like LMR or CJ Pony Cars or CJ Pony, whatever the other Mustang site is online. I plan to buy one of their $200 tops with a vinyl back window, and I'm just going to put that on temporarily until I can save up the money to have the real back glass and stuff put back in it, because Cobras have real glass with the defroster and stuff. But the $200 vinyl top with a plastic back window will be just fine to get it through the winter and until next spring, so that I can get the top replaced. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is make a video about what you need to do that's really cheap. It takes about $50, and you can temporarily fix your top, still enjoy it going up and down, and don't have to worry about leaks in it. So I appreciate everybody that watches the channel. I appreciate everybody that subscribes. If you do like the videos, share, subscribe.